guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and what an unboxing we have because the box is huge. It is huge. It's so beautiful. A big orange box. How can we go wrong? It says all the stuff on the side, which I'm not going to show you guys. Are you guys ready? Now, this bag is a little bit controversial because the last time I got one of these in, I moved it on really quickly because I just thought it was the biggest faff and I couldn't deal with the closure. I'm going to give this another go because I've learned my lesson with the Cassandra YSL. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch that video because I hated the first one I got and then I loved the second one, even though they had the exact same closure. All right. Are you guys ready? It is the her bag, the Pegasus her bag. Guys, I've seen this one online. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. The print is so cute. Now, I'm normally not a fan of this large canvas area. And that was another reason why I moved on the last one that I had, because it had this big canvas area that could get really dirty. And I was just like, oh, I don't know about that. Because this has got a print on it, I'm hoping that it's going to hide marks and stains, etc. But I'm going to give this one a red hot go. It's also got the beautiful leather. It's sort of like a raw leather, and I say that because the edges, it's not really finished the same way. Also, the back side of the leather is very raw, just like, not a felt, but like a suede, you know, the back of real leather, like a raw leather. So before I open it though, I'm going to show you guys the back. Oh, this strap. So the back looks like this. It's got a beautiful pocket in the back. This pocket is basically what you're going to put your everyday items in. I'm going to put my wallet in here. I've got a really small card wallet. Small card wallet. I'm going to put my phone. I'm going to put my keys. They're the things that are going to sit in here. Everything else, maybe a packet of mints, little mints. Everything else is going to go in the body of the bag. Makeup, emergency stuff, you know, whatever. I don't access all the time. I'll put in the body. So, I'm going to open this one up. I also got this, which I believe is the lock. The lock, which on the last one I had, I put it at the back, which was really quite handy and cute, but really you don't have to attach it. There's also the clochetti thing, which I also don't attach. I don't like things dangling, but that's just me. And then there's also this, which can be detached, so you can actually slot it through, but this is like a little makeup-y pouch thing. Now guys, this bag really needs an insert because there is not one pocket on the inside, not one. Only this removable pouch. That is all that is in the her bag. However, I do feel like with an insert, this bag would be amazing. So I'm going to go on the hunt for an insert for this straight away. I'll also see if any of my old inserts work in this, because they might. I know that I've got a couple of inserts sort of similar size to this that are not currently being used. Also, if you don't know about the her bag, this bar comes out and you can actually detach the shoulder strap, which I have a feeling I might do. Sorry for my sniffing today, guys. I've got the worst hay fever. It's hay fever season in Australia, and man, oh man, it is full on. Now, there is a really strange, sort of like a leather section at the back here. I actually don't know what that is and why it's there, but you can, like, if you have multiples of these, well, I don't know who does, but if you do, you can actually detach this flap and swap it with another bag. Same with the straps. That's sort of how they're designed, that you can kind of interchange them. I don't know if you'd want to, but you can. But I just thought this bag was so cute, and with jeans, which is why I'm wearing jeans today, I thought this would just be such a great look. Super chic and stylish. I mean, Kim K was the one that started me with these bags. She had the tan ones, and I always thought they looked so amazing. I had no idea how she was getting in and out of her bags so easily though, because if you know about this bag, it is a faff and you need 2 hands to close it. So you put this flap on, which is actually quite impossible to do one hand when it's on your shoulder. So you put this flap over and then you slot 1 and then 2. Now there is like a little hole in one of the straps, so you can put the lock in there if you wanted to really lock the bag, but I don't really do that. I think that'll be really annoying day to day if you wanted to get in and out. It's already annoying with how it closes. That's why I'm really going to utilize this back pocket a little bit more than I did last time. It's also the beautiful HERMES logo here, which I absolutely adore. Super cute. The bottom has no feet or anything. It is just a raw bottom, so keep that in mind, guys. I am definitely going to be testing out this style again. Remember too that this flap is a smooth leather and it scratches super easily. Very, very easily. You just look at it the wrong way and it will scratch. So keep that in mind. They've put a double handle here so that you don't touch the raw part of the leather, and it makes it a little bit stronger as well, which is great. It is a little bit of a heavy bag, I do have to admit, for the fact that it's a canvas bag. And there's not really that a lot amount of hardware apart from this pole that goes through it. I feel like it's quite a heavy bag for the fact that there's no pockets, there's not really a lot of hardware, which is really unusual. But dying to test this out. I'm definitely going to be testing it out after this video and let you guys know what I think. Remember, guys, that if you want more details on this bag or any of the bags you see behind me, you need to subscribe to my magazine. I'll put a link in the description so you can find it easily, or you can go onto my Instagram Linktree profile. You'll find it up in the top, and then it'll actually click you into the magazine and you just sign up. All the details are in there. Okay, now the very first comparison. Unfortunately, I do not have any other HER bags in my collection at the moment. I did have one previously, but I have since moved that on. So today I'm comparing to the Birkin 30. I chose the Birkin 30 because they're very similar in sizing. I think the HER bag is a 31 centimeter size at the base, but you will see from the side profile and the base that the HER bag is a lot more narrow than the Birkin 30, but they're very similar in length, as you can see there. Obviously the Birkin 30 is a very practical bag. You can open and close it super easily because we're not covering the flap over and securing the bag, you know. I like to wear mine open like this, like a lot of people do, but some people like to close it up as well. I don't know if the HER bag is going to be as easy to leave open. I find that because the straps are so long, I do find it to be like they kind of stick out, you know, like a robot. So that's something I need to have a think about. Also, you know, I was thinking, do I just remove it completely? And I can slot them through and take them out when I take out this bar section. So I can take off the straps, and then all I need to do is just flip this over like that. But yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna see how much it annoys me to actually close the straps in, and if it annoys me a lot, I might try it without the strap if they come off. I'm not 100% sure if they come off, guys, just because I don't remember the closure inside. Okay, I think it comes off because I think it actually comes, I can see it in there slotting through the back. The second comparison I want to do to the HER bag is the 24 by 24. This is in the larger size. You can see they are similar, very similar, but the 24 by 24 is a lot more boxy, a lot more rigid. It's quite stiff in its shape, but the capacity is very, very similar. I would say it's probably a little bit bigger because it's a little bit wider. But yes, they're both got that relaxed kind of feel about them, which is great. Really enjoy these bags. This one's just a dupe, guys, that I got just to test out the size. And I realized that for this style bag, it's quite boxy, and that size is probably too big, the large. So interesting for me to see how this one goes because it's a softer structure. I think it'll be easier to handle being in a larger size, but we will see. And the last comparison I want to do is with my Kelly 32. The reason why I chose the Kelly 32 is because I think they're very similar in size, and the structures are very, very similar as well. You can kind of see that they're a little bit wider on the base. The Kelly 32 is a little bit wider on the base, but you know, they're very, very similar in width and size, and capacity, really. So yes, I do think they're very, very similar bags. I think they probably can hold very similar amounts as well. Good news is because of that, I'll probably have an insert to put in this. Now, I've just found an insert for the Kelly 32 that I think will fit in here. So this one's from Samorga. And you guys know I have many inserts from Samorga. They've got such a good range, and you can really pick the colors that you want, which is amazing. All right. Okay, so I have put my pink insert inside. This is for the Kelly 32, and I have to say, it's not a perfect fit, but it is damn close. It is really close, and I could probably interchange those around. And that gives me like 6 or more pockets inside, which is going to keep my stuff really organized. And it's also going to hold the shape better on the bag, because I find this is a really soft bag. I'm actually trying to tie it up now, guys. And the faff is real. We know this. We know the faff is real. We're just going to accept that this is what happens with the faff. Okay, so there you go. I've put the insert in, and it's holding its shape really nicely. It's not as soft as it was before, which is great. And I'm actually confident that when I put it on a surface, it's going to stay up, whereas before it was like squashing down. So definitely get an insert for this. I'm just lucky I had one lying around that would work. So remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and would love to have you as part of our community. We talk all things bags. I'm gonna go into the mod shots now. I decided to dress in jeans today. A little bit funky and fun outfit with these cute boots that I've been dying to wear, a white t-shirt and a bit of a corset top over the top just to jazz it up a little bit. This outfit was inspired by Kim K. I have seen her doing something similar in the past, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a go. If she can do it, I can do it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope that this shows you how you can dress this bag down and even possibly dress it up a little bit. You imagine wearing a black dress. I originally was going to wear a black dress in this video with this bag, and I thought that would be a little bit boring. I thought it'd be a lot more fun to actually make it a little bit more casual and wear jeans, dressy version of jeans. So there you go. This bag can be worn on the arm, so hand holding as well as in the crook of the arm. It doesn't go super high up, so there isn't a huge gap here, but it's enough to put it in the crook of the arm. Also, the strap can be worn on the shoulder, and it is a good shoulder strap, but it is a little bit long for me because it is a large bag. But I think I'll be wearing this crossbody if I'm at the supermarket or at markets or somewhere where I need my hands free. I can definitely swing this over the shoulder and wear it crossbody as well. There you go, guys. That's my brand new Her bag, the Pegasus Her bag in the black. And I believe this is just the canvas. I think it's just called the canvas. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and head over to my Instagram. I'm super prominent over there. I do giveaways, polls, and a hell of a lot more. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.